All right, guys, these are the PNF stretching techniques, and we're gonna apply them to the hamstrings because it's an easy one to see, and my model here has tight hamstrings. So the first is just a post-isometric contraction prior to stretch. The theory, you put the contraction, you tell the muscle to work, then you tell the muscle to relax, you'll get a better relaxation, so you get a better stretch. So Gina, I'm gonna have you just dig your heel in, count to 5 for me.
1,
Just doing a
2,
hamstring set.
3, 4, 5.
Relax. And then I'm gonna apply the hamstring stretch, which is just gonna be a straight leg raise technique, okay? The next stretch is a hold relax. So what that is that the patient's gonna contract the hamstrings again, but they're gonna do it in an isometric within the stretch procedure itself. So what I first do, just relax for me. Get her into a good stretch. You can see she's actually pretty tight, so this is a really good demonstration. We hold stretches at least 15 seconds. And just as a side note, I already had her do a warm up in the classroom, so her muscles are warm. Okay, so this is 15 seconds. Gianna, what I want you to do is push into my shoulder and count to 5 out loud.
1, 2,
push harder.
3, 4, 5.
Okay, so she's doing an isometric contraction, relax, of her hamstrings. And now look what I can do. I just moved her into a higher range. It's pulling a little, isn't it? But it's not painful. And then I'm gonna hold that 15 seconds. Okay, the next technique, what I'm probably gonna do is give that right hamstring a break and go to the left here. So this one is a contract relax. The contract relax looks exactly like the hold relax, except for instead of an isometric contraction, it's going to be a concentric muscle contraction. So let's get her leg up. I'm gonna get her into a stretch position. Right there. I'm gonna hold that 15 seconds because I gotta make sure I let those muscle fibers actually move. Okay, now I want you to push into my shoulder and count to 5 out loud. Push
1,
harder, push harder,
2,
push harder.
3, 4, 5.
Okay, relax. So I let her do that concentric muscle contraction, and I moved her into a little bit more range of motion. And then I would hold this portion 15 more seconds. The next one is with an agonist contraction. You can do it with the hold relax, which is what's on your notes, or you can also do it with the contract relax technique. So we'll do the exact same technique. We'll do the hold relax just to show you. So the hold relax, hold means it's an isometric muscle contraction. I've been stretching her hamstrings this whole time, so that should be 15 seconds. Gianna, push into my shoulder. Push harder. Count.
1, 2, 3,
push,
4, 5.
Good, relax. Now what I want you to do is lift your leg a little bit higher for me. So she purposely put herself into a better position, and then we're gonna stretch it a little bit more. And just with those 2 different techniques, I've already got her up to a 90-degree straight leg raise, so that's pretty impressive.
Flexible.
You can repeat it as many times as you want. So I'm holding her in this position. We're still doing that 15 seconds. If I wanted to do the contract relax, so that's with a concentric muscle contraction, Gianna, push into my shoulder, count to 5.
1,
I'm
2,
letting her move.
3, 4, 5.
Relax. And then the active portion, bring your leg up back to where it was. And look, we went almost a little, I mean, we might have gained like a few degrees right there. Okay, and that's the 4 techniques for for the PNF stretches. Thank you.